In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if Gimp is not working or responding or opening properly on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select apps. And then on the right side underneath apps, select installed apps. Search for Gimp in this field at the top, and then select the three-dotted icon next to it and select uninstall. Select uninstall again. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Select yes to proceed with the uninstall of the Gimp application here. And it says it was removed from your computer. So then if you open back up a web browser and you just search for Gimp download, should be from a Gimp website here, GNU Image Manipulation Program. So I would actually suggest just searching for Gimp, and that's what it should take you to here. So go ahead and search for that. It should be gimp.org. Go ahead and download that file, and then you can select the x86 and 64 version there. Give it a moment, and it will begin. And then open up that file once it's on your device. Go ahead and install it. Select install and then give us a moment to proceed here. And there you go, guys. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.